videography din, bongga-bongga ang Fine Pixel Studio. Kay Sir Jay na ang ating CEO ng Fine Pixel. Ano to? Mix sa kanya. Ang Fine Pixel po is ang backpin mo abante ng photography and videography in Surya. No color coding allowed. Alright. Bitaw, ang Fine Pixel guys, isa na rin sila na highly recommended sa ating industry. So please, for us, they are actually one of the top na mga ano namin. Priority na yan sa client. Kasi talagang hindi kami mapapahira. And if only we got the pretty good at all the shirts that they got here, we made, pakikita nyo. But of course, if you want it guys, you can as well visit the Facebook page. That's a Fine Pixel Photography or directly by Station CEO himself. Ang napakawapong si Sir Jim Manliwas. Atin po siya, dahil mga gwapo mo dyan yung